Today we're gonna grate cheese with a cheese grater. Yeah! But they're super sharp, especially for little kids. Look how sharp this side, and this side. Even though they don't look sharp, they are really sharp. They could cut your hand off, you know.
I'm gonna cut it.
It's super hard to cut cheese, you know. The little pieces of cheese, yeah, those are easy to cut. But the big pieces are hard to cut for cheese. Thanks, Dad.
There you go.
I get some piece. My mom taught me how to grate cheese.
So basically, if you grate like that way, the problem is, first, it's really sticky. It becomes stuck. The cheese stuck there, and it's so hard to move as well. The way that make it easy is we're gonna wash it very quickly.
Want me to help? Hey, can we don't grate like this? You grate like this. Okay. Yeah, it's faster.
So the hack is put a little bit of oil, any oil. So I will put olive oil to make it smoother
Hey, Daddy.
when you grate it. Okay?
So I'm making white French.
I don't have any brush, so I'm gonna use this thing. So that I put some olive oil on the surface. Now, when you grate it, you should do like this. Put down here, and then do like that. Okay? See how easy it is. There, you see, like turn it.
I didn't look. Aww.
Now we can do it. When it start build up all the stuff again, we can put the olive oil again to brush it off.
A bit more, please. Look, Dad, I'm almost finished. I guess smells might just started. This is a lot of grating. Yeah, you get tired? Yeah.